Hello students, let us continue exercise 8.4. Now we discuss question number 5th part, 6th part. Root of 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. Now take left hand side. Root of 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. Now take rationalize of denominator, so we write 1 plus sin a upon 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a multiply 1 plus sin a can be write 1 plus sin a whole square upon a minus b into a plus b. Now use identity a square minus b square. So we write 1 minus sin square a. Root of 1 plus sin a whole square upon 1 minus sin square a. Now using identity a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So we write a square means 1 square that is 1 minus b square is sin square a. Now separate the root of numerator and denominator. So we write root of 1 plus sin a whole square upon root of 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a can be write cos square a. So we write root cos square a. Square cancel by root, we get 1 plus sin a. Square cancel by root, we get cos a. Now 1 upon cos a plus sin a upon cos a. 1 upon cos a is sec a, so we write sec a plus sin a upon cos a, that is tan a. Formula of tan a is sin a upon cos a and formula of sec a is 1 upon cos a. So left hand side is sec a plus tan a. Also right hand side sec a plus tan a. So we write left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verify. Now we discuss example 15. Very most important example 15. Sin a minus cos a. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, using the identity sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now take left hand side. Sec theta. Formula of sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. And formula of tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So numerator and denominator divided by cos theta. We need sec theta and tan theta. So we need divided by numerator and denominator by cos theta. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta and we get. Now we write sin theta upon cos theta minus cos theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. Numerator divided by cos theta. Similarly, in denominator, sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta. Denominator divided by cos theta. It is clear. Numerator and denominator divided by cos theta. Now formula of sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta, minus cos theta cancel out, we get 1 plus 1 upon cos theta, write in the form of sec theta. Formula of 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. Similarly in denominator, sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta plus cos theta cancel out, we get plus 1 minus 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. Formula of sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So we write 1 upon cos theta in the form of sec theta. Now take suitable rearrangement. First we write sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 upon, now in denominator take suitable rearrangement, 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. Now your right hand side is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Now use the identity in a denominator, that is 1, and formula of 1 can be write sec square theta minus tan square theta. Formula of 1 is sec square theta minus tan square theta. Again repeat, sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 as it is. This is your 1. 1 can be write sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now take minus common from sec theta and tan theta, so we write minus sec theta positive and tan theta is negative. Now next step, sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 upon formula of a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So we write sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta minus sec theta minus tan theta. Now take common sec theta minus tan theta. We get sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 upon, take common sec theta minus tan theta, we get sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 minus 1. Take common sec theta minus tan theta from both bracket, we get first bracket and minus 1. So we write first bracket and minus 1. Numerator as it is, take common sec theta minus tan theta, we get sec theta plus tan theta minus 1. Now next step, sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta as it is. Now remove the open bracket, so we write sec theta plus tan theta minus 1, write in bracket. Sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 cancel out. We get only 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. We get only 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Because sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 cancel by sec theta plus tan theta minus 1. We get numerator is 1 upon denominator sec theta minus tan theta. This is your right hand side. This is your right hand side. So we write left hand side equal to right hand side, left hand side equal to right hand side, hence prove. Now we discuss question number 1, exercise 8.2 NCERT exemplar. Sin raised to the power 6 plus cos raised to the power 6 plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta equal to 1. We know that a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is your formula. Cube on both sides. So we write sin square theta plus cos square theta whole power cube equal to 1 cube, that is 1 cube. Now we use the identity a plus b whole cube. So we write a is sin square theta and b is cos square theta. So we write a cube, that is sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube plus 3. A is sin square theta into b is cos square theta, bracket a plus b sin square theta plus cos square theta, bracket close, equal to 1. Equal to 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. Now solve this bracket. Sine square theta whole cube, that is 2 3 is 6. So we write sine raised to the power 6 theta plus cos raised to the power 6, 2 3 is 6, cos raised to the power 6 theta plus 3 sine square theta cos square theta, and we know that very well, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we write sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1, multiply 1. Again repeat, sine raised to the power 6 plus cos raised to the power 6 theta, sine raised to the power 6, sine raised to the power 6 theta plus cos raised to the power 6 theta, three sine square theta cos square theta equal to 1. Hence prove. This is your required result. Again repeat, sin theta raised to the power 6 plus cos theta raised to the power 6 plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1. This is your required result. Hence prove. Do exercise 8.2 in your fair notebook of NCERT examiner. Thank you.